Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about tires on your vehicle and how important the safety is when it comes to you, your family, and everybody else on the road around you. At the West Automotive Group, every service we actually inspect your tires for one simple reason. Tires that wear on the inside today with lower profile tires are harder to see when there's issues such as cords showing, etc. And safety items can arise without inspecting them regularly. At the West Automotive Group, every time the vehicle's lifted in the air, we take a good look at the tires to verify the life, if there's any concerns. There's all kinds of things that can happen to tires, but one of the most important is checking the tread depth. At 430 seconds, a tire should be recommended to be replaced. If you use the old adage, using a penny, Abe Lincoln's head, that's 230 seconds. By the time a tire gets to that point, stopping and traction is greatly reduced on the tire. The tire will not shed water when you're in a heavy water situation such as on the freeway. So it's a good time to think about having replaced. Tires should also be replaced every 7 years, even if they're not worn out, because the rubber starts to fail. Have your tires inspected and aired properly regularly. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.